Hello students, I think all of you finds you can enjoy at home. So today we are going to start our computer class through online. Today is our first session. I am going to explain you about the database management systems. What is database management system? Before we go for the database management system, I think I explained in the first session, in the first term, about the database. As I told you earlier, database is a collections of interrelated informations about the organizations or ensure to efficient and smoothly functioning it. I repeat, a database is a collection of interrelated informations about an organizations. So, DBMS means database management system. It helps us to maintain the centralized control over the data. It involves creating, modifying, editing, deleting of data in our files. See, so how to open database? How to open database in a computer? The steps are: go to the all programs, then click on Microsoft Office, then click on MS Access. When you click on MS Access, one database table will appear. So here database will appear. You can click on create. Then there are two view of database. One is called design view and other one is called datasheet view. See, there are two views in MS Access. One is design view, other one is datasheet view. So, out of these two views, which view have more control over data? Design view have the more control over the data. In design view, we can only add field name, not any data. In design view, you can modify the data. You can enter the different field names, but you cannot enter data. But in datasheet view, we can enter data. Only you can enter data in datasheet view. Okay, so there are different types of data used in datasheet view. Different types of data. So what are they? The most important is, the first one is text, then number, text, number, memo, date and time, currency, yes no field, lookup wizard, and it is hyperlink, another one is auto number. So you can see these are the different types of data used in database. So database is made up of table. Table are the building blocks of database. So here database we can create table. Tables are in rows or columns. So tables are the building blocks of database. The first one is, let's come to the types of data. The first one is text. So text means what? You can use in the text data type, you can use both number and time. So it is called alphanumeric. Yes, alphanumeric. Here in the text data type, you can use both text and number. Next is memo. Next is number. Here you can use all number from 0 to 9. You can use any number. So third one is memo. This is also alphanumeric. You can here also use you can use both alphabet and numbers. Then so when we need this data, so whenever we have to enter any date for our in our tables, suppose your date of birth, suppose date of issue of a library books, date of return, date of birth, time of the birth, time of bus, timing of bus, whatever it is. So whenever we need date and time in our tables, we have to use the data type date and time. Next is currency. So currency, whenever we require to enter any amount rupees, we have to use the data type value. Yes or no? Suppose here you can use any one, either yes or no. You can't use both the options. Yes or no field. Suppose do you have a land phone numbers? If you have, you can write yes. If you don't have, you can write no. Lookup wizard, you can go for the other documents, hyperlink to other documents, auto number. Suppose when you want to give the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 serial number, if you click on the auto number, then this number will be appear automatically. This is the function of auto number. So text. So what is the maximum character used in text? What is the maximum character used in text? Character means either it should be alphabet or number. So the maximum character is 256. That is the range of text is 0 to 255. So total is 256 data I can use. 56 data I can use in text data type. Number 0 to 9 you can use in numbers. Memo. The range of memo is 65,536. You can use up to 65,536 characters. So when we need memo, suppose you want to input address and the address is more than 255 characters, and in that case if you use the text data type is text, then after 256 whatever you write that will be wiped out. So in that cases we have to choose the data type memo. So memo can be stored up to 65,536 data. Okay. Next is caption. Caption is the special title in MS Access. It is displayed in the format of database. The caption is displayed in forms format of the database. So dear students, now I will show you how to open MS Access. So click on Start, then go to All Programs, then click on MS Office, then click on MS Office Access. Okay, now the MS Office. Next, click on the blank database, then click on Create. You see the MS Access database will appear. Then click on Table, click on View, click on Design View. When you click on Design View, you see a table name. The default name is appear Table 1. So you can change the name of the table. You can make it another name. I just make a student, STUDE and students, and click on OK. So this is the view of design view tables. So here you can enter the different field name. So if you enter field name, this is data type and this is descriptions. So these are two part of design view. One is called field property. This part is called field property area, and this part is called field description area. If you click on text, you see, if you click on text, different format of text will be appear on the screen. Look at here. Different format of text will be appear. Look at my mouse. Field size is how much written here? 255. Format, input marks, tags. So these are different properties of different data type. If you click on the number, see the property will change. Field size long, format, decimal place auto. If you click on date and time, the format is different. If you click on number, the properties are different. If you click on the memo, the properties are different. Look at the properties. Auto number. I just show you one by one, yes or no field. See, all the properties are different for in different data types. So, under different data types in numbers, the different format of the numbers are the field size. This is the number data type. Field size. The field size under field. If you click on the field size, we will get the field size will get long integer, short integer. We will get long integer, short integer, double, single, double, and decimal. So these are different field size of the numbers. Long integer, the value of the range of long integer is not decimal. The range of long integer is -32768 to positive number 32767. The range of long integer is 32,768 to 30,767. The range of this is the integer. And the long integer is the range of long integer is 2147483648 to -22147483647. So the different ranges are there. The different ranges are there. Okay. So these are the different field size used in number. Next is the format of number. Under number we get the format of number. The format of numbers are general, fixed, percentage, general, fixed, percentage, then single, double, decimal. So these are the different format of number. In general, as we write, same thing appear in the tables. Fixed, for example, 326.758. So 3267.57. So as you write, same to same appear in your database table. But under fixed, if you write 3267.587, then only 2 decimal place will appear automatically. 87 become 59. Rounding of 87 is 90, so it appear 3267.59. You write it this one. but in database it will appear 3267.5. Only 2 decimal place except in the fixed part. Percentage. So when you use percentage, whatever number you use, it will 3267.587 multiplied by 100. Automatically you will get the value of 326, whatever it is, you get the percentage multiplied by 100. Decimal place. So 100 decimal place, how much decimal you need? Suppose you want to enter the amount rupees, then we need only 2 decimal place. So you have to use fixed. Suppose if you use a kg in gram, we need 3 decimal place. In that case, you have to choose the decimal and you have to give how much decimal you need. So here in decimal place, it will accept 0 to 15 decimal place. It will accept 0 to 15 decimal place. Okay. Next come for the date and time format. So these are the format of number. Next we come for the format of date and time. Date and time. So here 2 data types are there. One is for date, other one is for time. So first date, we will get the format of date is general date, long date, short date. In general, so suppose today, what the date is, suppose 225, say 4/25/5/2020. So as you write, same date will appear in our table. But in long date, that is 25th May 2020. 25th May 2000, long date. Today is suppose Sunday. So we will okay, first Sunday 25 May 2020. This type of date will appear under the long. In short, we get 25 May 2020. So this is the different format of date. Okay. Next, time. Time, under time, general time, long time, and short time. Under general time, 4:30 p.m. Long date, under long date, we will get 4:30, then 15 seconds, then this one. Short date, short time, we will get 0430. So these are the different format of date and time. After that, records. After that, if you go to the different format of number, we will get different properties of different numbers. So you can check, if you have computer at home, you can check the different properties of different data type used in MS Access. Okay. So here you see one thing is wrong here. See long time, medium time. The types is long time, medium time, and short time. And the long time we will get hour, minute, second, and AM or PM. Medium time, hour, minutes, AM or PM. And on the short time we will get 24 hour clock times. So this is why you can learn this type of, if you learn this all date and time formats, number formats, text formats, this is importance. Okay. So after that we will go for the next class about the data types, tables, fields, and record. So if you have computer at home, try it. Try to open the MS Access in our computers. If any problem, any queries, you can WhatsApp me, you can call me. I will explain you. Okay. Now all of you, thank all of you. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.